Hey y'all, it's Kaylee. In case you didn't notice, I am riding solo today. I'm solo, riding solo, riding solo, riding solo, solo. Except I'm not that happy about it. Kristin this week is on her honeymoon in Pensacola, Florida. And I have seen some pictures and I'm super jealous, but she's having a great time. So very happy that she's having so much fun. So I wanted to do a little something while she was gone and I didn't really know what to do. So I decided, even though I don't know that much about makeup, that I would try to show you guys what I do when I do my full face of makeup to go out somewhere special or anything like that. Now, because I know if y'all are like me, then you're definitely working on a budget. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily get a nice full face of makeup with nothing but drugstore brands. I don't have any name brand things, nothing fancy. So if y'all want to see how to do that, then just stick around. Alrighty, here we go. Don't be alarmed, it's not a ghost, I'm just that pale. I'm gonna get started. Now I'll be the first to say that I don't know that much about makeup. And I'm gonna have to pin these bangs back, so excuse my Tyra Banks 5 head here. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is, since I don't have a lot of money, you know, we don't have time to be buying all them fancy moisturizers and stuff. So I got me some Advanced Therapy lotion. It's not even name brand, it's just, I think this might be the Target brand, Up and Up it says. And I'm going to use that to moisturize my face. So we're just gonna do this. Now that we've done that, I'm going to use some foundation. And this is Maybelline Dream Velvet in Warm Porcelain, so one of the palest shades that they offer. Not a surprise. So, I don't know how you're technically supposed to do this, but what I do is I just take some on my finger and I just start dotting it. I have a mirror over here, so if I'm looking over, sorry. I just start dotting it around my face. So now I'm going to use this. I'm not sure exactly what it's called or what brand it was. I got it at Target, just like a beauty blender, but it's not a fancy one. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to dab around and blend in my foundation. Now the reason that I decided to do a glam makeup look, or what I would call glam, I guess. I don't do a ton of makeup usually, so what I would call glam, I don't know if that's what you would call glam, but because my everyday makeup kind of varies. Some days I don't even really wear makeup. I hardly ever wear foundation. The next step is concealer, because I've got a little bit of some pimples down here. And I always have the worst dark bags under my eyes, like always. I could get a million hours of sleep. And of course my hands are slippery, I can't open this. Alright, now that we're done with concealer, the next step that I usually do is my eyebrows. Now, I know this is not the proper way to do this, but I'm just going to be honest and show you what I do. I have really thin brows and they're kind of light, so I like to fill them in just a little bit, just to add some, mostly just for darkness, because I feel like it helps frame my face a little better. I usually just take a dark brown eyeshadow, and I literally just use this little sponge brush. Because for some reason my thin eyebrows, it seems to kind of be the right kind of size. I know this isn't proper, but this is what I do. So I just take a little bit of that and then I kind of just gently kind of fill in where I want it to be a little darker. So the next thing I'm gonna do is eyeshadow. Oh no, wait. First, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Contour Palette. Now, I don't really know how to contour that well, but I'm just gonna show you what I usually do. I will take a little flat brush, and these are Eco Tools. They were like 18 bucks for a set of a bunch of different brushes. So I will take the contour shade here, and I'm just gonna draw like a 3 on my face. So you do it up here, and then down under your cheekbone, and then down under your jawline to kind of define it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna blend it. All right, next I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to blend my contour, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that blush and put it kind of right on the apples of my cheeks. And last, I'm just going to take this little brush that came in this kit, and I'm going to use this highlight shade. Now, I'm going to put it on like the high points of my face. So I'm going to put it on top of my cheekbones, and down my nose, a little on the forehead, chin, and you can put it on your Cupid's bow too. Alright, now that the face is done, I'm going to start on my eyes. I've been using this 24K Nudes Maybelline palette, and I really like it. Now, when I do my eyeshadow, I usually use browns and golds because I have blue eyes, and that makes them stand out more. So if you have blue eyes, you could follow this kind of same thing to help them stand out. If you don't have blue eyes, if you look at a color wheel, and you look directly across from whatever color your eyes are, those are the shades that you want to put on your eyes to make them pop. So I usually just take a base shade that's like kind of a medium shade, put it all over my lid, take a bright shade, put it in the inner corners, and then I take a dark one and put it up here in my crease and a little down here, and then you blend it, and it kind of creates a little bit of a smoky effect. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I've applied that dark shade kind of in a V shape, whoops, shaking my table, on the outside corners of my eyes, and now I'm going to blend it with a fluffy brush. And when you blend it, you kind of want to hold it a little bit further down on the handle of the brush, because if you have too much precise control, it's not going to blend quite as well. So you want to kind of just do it like that. And after I do that, I'm going to take a little bit more of that dark shade with a little brush and put it just on my lower lash line. Alright, now that I'm finished with my eyeshadow, I am going to do some liquid liner on my upper lash line. And I just used the Maybelline New York Master Precise in black. And I don't usually wing it, mostly because I'm not very good at it. You could if you wanted. So I'm just gonna draw a simple line on each lash. And I know you're not supposed to do this because it's supposed to cause wrinkles early, but like, I can't draw a straight line without like pulling my eyelids, so don't judge me. Okay, now I'm gonna do mascara. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lower lash line, and I don't usually bother curling my lashes because I feel like mine naturally kind of curl up pretty easily. But if yours don't, for sure, get an eyelash curler to curl them up. I've been using the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel. Excuse me. And I really love it. Now hopefully this doesn't happen today. For some reason it never fails. As soon as I put my mascara on and it's still wet, I have to sneeze. And then I sneeze and it gets all over right here and it's the most annoying thing ever. So hopefully that doesn't happen today. Alright, so my last step is lips, and this lipstick, I found this at Ulta actually. It is called Sexy Mother Pucker. Don't know if you can see that. And it's a little bit of a darker color. I've been wearing it anyways in the summer, but it is a perfect color for fall if you like a little bit of a darker look. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that on my lips. Alright, and now I'm going to put some gloss over it. This is also the same brand, that Sexy Mother Pucker. Alright, and there you have it. So this is my kind of go-to glam full face of makeup look. As I said, I don't do this every day because ain't nobody got time for that, in my opinion. But if you wanted to do it every day, you totally could. This took me about 25 minutes, so that's with me talking a lot. It usually takes about 15 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will be back at you sometime next week with a video with both Kristin and I in it. So we will be back as Steel Ivory instead of just Kaylee. So hope you have a great night. Bye!